I told ChatGPT my wildest dreams. I told it to write a story of a day in the life of my future self who has achieved all of it.
I just did that. I definitely recommend you do it.
Alright, so to replicate what they did, all you have to do is get a premium ChatGPT account, and then what you're gonna do is create a custom GPT. And so you see right there, you're just gonna click that button, and it's gonna walk you through the process. ChatGPT makes it very easy. It's a very long prompt that I put in, so I'm gonna put it down below. And basically, you're just gonna tell it what you want. I'm gonna want a daily visualization, and I want to be able to have a conversation with my future self. When I ask myself for advice, motivation, reflections, uh, and so as you see, it's gonna give it a name, future self. I said yes. It's gonna give you an image. It's gonna say that you like that image, and you can make changes to the image. As you can see, I'm going through and editing it. I didn't feel like the first image really fit future self. So it gives me a better picture and I like it, but it doesn't have any people in it. And this is centered on personal success. So now it makes an image with the woman in it. And so this is perfect. This is a lot better. So now it's asking me, how should I guide the conversation with your future self? I always think that it's easier to tell ChatGPT what to avoid than it is to tell it what you like. I like to give it boundaries, so don't dwell on failures, emphasize growth, openness, career, and school. So now it's responding back, and now it's made our future self. So now we're gonna try it out. And I'm gonna describe my dream future career, typing it in, say, I want to be a software engineer, working in finance. Describe my current situation. I'm system admin. Um, so now it's creating my future self. And I'm reading through it, a day in the life of future me. Um, reading through it. It tells me that I wake up, I go to work, it's a nice place, I have a nice job in finance, go to a nearby cafe, and then that's where I do my content creation in the evening, have a strong following on YouTube and TikTok. Um, so overall, I got what I wanted. Make a joke that I prefer matcha over coffee. Obviously, ChatGPT does not understand jokes, so it rewrites it. Oh, should I make changes? Because remember, you can revise it as many times as you need to revise it. You can continually make changes if you feel like that personal GPT doesn't reach your goals. And so I personally don't revise it. I just keep asking it questions like, how long did it take to reach this point in my career? It's telling me 1 to 2 years, strong foundation, 2 to 4 years. I get into software engineering, 4 to 6 years. I get to work in finance. And so if you like it, then you can save it. Please subscribe to the channel for more.